Good morning. Today let us discuss about the perceptions on philosophy and why it is important for teachers, how philosophy and education are related to each other, and about different schools of philosophy. So let us first start about what is philosophy. Philosophy is a combination of two Greek words, philo and sophia. So philo means love and sophia means wisdom. So philosophy can be defined as love of wisdom, or it can also be defined as study of knowledge or thinking about thinking. According to Karl Marx, philosophy is the interpretation of the world in order to change it. So philosophy helps us to think, ask questions about everything and help us in change. So it can be said as the search for reality or truth, and it is a guide to the way of life. Okay, next coming to the question why it is important for teachers. As we discussed before, philosophical thought can help us to think what we are doing, why we are doing things, and how can we do it better. The philosophical ideas helps the teacher to fulfill his or her professional role. It helps the teacher to analyze their own self. So since teaching is a complex process, the teacher should have good understanding about the students, the learning process, both inside and outside the classroom, and some of ethical decisions. Have you ever thought why the teachers are under pressure to finish the curriculum or syllabus within the given time? Why the performance in the exams linked to the success or failure in life? Why the students are encouraged in rote learning? Nowadays, teachers have to reflect on their own practice. These questions cannot be answered in a day, but as prospective teachers, it's our time to think and ask these questions to ourselves. This is how philosophical thoughts are closely connected with education. Philosophy of education is a concept about the application of philosophy or the philosophical ideas to the study of problems of education. So it deals with the philosophical reflection on the nature, aims of education, problems of education, purpose of schooling, the role of teacher, and what should be taught by and by what methods. Thus, philosophy of education is application of philosophical analysis to the field of education. It can be said that philosophy and education are related like two sides of a coin. So, philosophy and education are related in aims of education, curriculum, method of teaching, textbooks, discipline, measurement or assessment, teacher, school, and the administration. So the main branches of philosophy are metaphysics, epistemology, and axiology. So the different schools of philosophy are idealism, naturalism, pragmatism, humanism, and etc. So these are the different philosophical ideas and of various philosophers. So we can discuss about some basic ideas of philosophy.